Stop throwing out any part of this orange. Instead, turn this into homemade candied orange and vitamin C capsule. Hey guys! Chef Bea is here! Welcome back to my channel! Special shout out to Miss Francesca. This video is for you. Take your small saucepan and fill it with water. Add sugar and the orange peel to the saucepan and bring the water to a boil. Add the sliced orange. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer and let the peel and the sliced orange cook for about 30 minutes to an hour. Get the orange pulp, put in the food chopper. Then we use the hydrator to dry the orange slice, the orange peel, and the orange pulp. Or we can use paper towel and place it direct sun. Dehydrate about 70 Celsius for 3 hours. Let's make orange gummy candy. Pour the orange juice in the saucepan. Add 1/2 cup organic honey, 3 tablespoons corn syrup. Add 4 gelatin sheet. Reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Add a small amount of orange peel to enhance the flavor. Stir until the orange juice becomes thickened. Use chocolate mold and fridge for about 30 minutes to an hour. Unmold the orange gummy candy. Optional, you can coat it with granulated sugar. Yan, meron na tayong orange gummy candy. Ngayon, gawa naman tayo ng vitamin C capsule gawa sa orange pulp. Wow! In the medium flame, add 1 cup sugar and 2 tablespoons corn syrup. Stir until thickened and caramelized. Make sure the orange peel covered with the caramelized sugar. Let it cool and stored in the clean plastic container. Now, melt the dark chocolate and dip the dried orange slice. Follow for more. Thank you for watching.